biryani. Who doesn't like biryani? And we've got so many ways of making biryani. I'm going to be showing one style of biryani, which is Royal Mugalai Biryani. Shall we get started? To begin with, we have this masalas which have to be blended into a paste. I've got roughly chopped onions, tomatoes, garlic, ginger, and we've got our whole spices, which is cumin seeds, fennel seeds, cinnamon, black cardamoms, cloves, cashew nuts, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder. I'm going to blend this into a smooth paste. So here I've got this paste, nice and smooth. Let's get into the cooking. We just melt some ghee, put in some bay leaves, put some sliced onions here. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. We'll fry these till they start changing color. The onions are now changing color. So I'm going to add this masala paste. We'll fry for a couple of minutes. The oil is seeping up. We'll add the yogurt and we'll fry again. Masala looks well fried. Also with yogurt, oil is seeping up. Now we add in our vegetables. Start with carrots. They need a head start because they take longer to cook. Green peas, if they are fresh green peas, they go in first. Frozen doesn't matter. French beans, cauliflower, some water, just enough to cook the vegetables. Now this gravy looks good to go, so I switch off the flame. We put in some coriander leaves, some mint leaves, now the final step. I've got cooked basmati rice here. This should be nearly cooked. I'm going to take this pot. I'll put some ghee at the base of the pot. A layer of rice. I've got some saffron water. Yes, saffron soaked in water, in which I've added kevda water also. You can use kevda water or rose water. We sprinkle some of this. Some fried shallots, some ghee. Now we'll put in a layer of our cooked vegetables with sauce. Another layer of rice. We repeat our saffron and kevda water, fried onions, ghee, next layer of vegetables, and cover it with rice. We close this with a tight lid and we'll put it on low flame for about 10 minutes. It's been over 10 minutes and I think the biryani is ready. Let's check. Let's plate it. You can garnish it with some fried onions, some coriander leaves, mint leaf. Here you go. Our Mugalai vegetarian biryani is ready. You can serve this with any raita of your choice or Hyderabadi tomato curry. The recipe of Hyderabadi tomato curry is in the description below. Do try it and leave your comments below. This is Chef Sarab Kapoor and I'll see you soon again.